So now let's move to the business.facebook.com and then go to the ad manager. So from here, we will create a campaign just like we did previously in our Facebook ads section. We will create our campaign to be published within the Instagram news feed, and we will do this from our business.facebook.manager, from the Facebook ad manager. Before going and creating our new campaign and click create, I would love to tell you about this website. It's surely a Shopify website that sells teddy bear stuff and other jewelry. So we're going to click product and looking for a teddy bear to sell. We're going to use this product as an example. 100 centimeter giant plush teddy bear. So the first thing that we're going to do is download all the picture in our computer. So click on the picture, right click, click save image and give it a name and click save. The same thing for the other picture. Click on the picture and put the mouse on the picture, then right click, click save and change the name and click save. Okay, that's cool. We have 5 pictures already downloaded in our computer. So now let's go and create our campaign. So click create. And just like Facebook, the first thing that we're going to do is create the campaign, then move to the ad set and then move to the ad. So now we're in the campaign section. Let's choose our objective and you can click traffic or conversion. Let's choose traffic and then give your campaign a name. And then select your daily budget, $10, and then click continue. And when you're going to click continue, it's going to direct us to the ad set.